What's up, everyone? This is Gabby Trades here. Welcome back to the channel. Well, we have a huge day today because the Feds are about to release their decision in regards to the interest rate cuts, and that's really what everything is about right now. So very important data, but before that, immediately, in fact, right now, we're getting the PPI, so that's why I was in a hurry to start. So we get the results nice and fresh. Welcome, everyone. Let me just adjust my screens over here. And I've already started trading actually earlier, so I'm already in a gold short that is doing quite well actually. And I've already took like 3 partials, and I still have a very small position running, but it's still making money. So it's pretty volatile at the moment. So let me see. Let me know in the chat box first. Are we good on music, or it's a little bit loud? I feel it's a little bit loud today. All right, we'll adjust it slightly lower. And this is how we're gonna leave it. All right, Mind Tapestry, hello. We have Kun, David, Jake, or David. We have also Tommy here. Broad Collocation Services. So happy to see you guys. Okay. Wow. So, you know, the results are out, and this is quite interesting. Let me see what's happening to my short. My short is still running. All right. So we have core PPI at 0.5, so that's higher than expected. Now, this is potentially going to help my short move further on gold. So core PPI is higher than expected. Forecast was 0.3. We have month over month 0.7. That's way higher than what we were expecting, and also higher than what we had previously. The core PPI is lower than what we had previously, but we've been forecasting for way lower. So let's hope that that's going to push. I'm seeing right now the gold short here, the money are moving up, so that's good. Now, yeah, so basically, you know, higher PPI is going to mean that we have higher inflation than usual. So, you know, the likelihood for the Fed is to stay hawkish at this point. So usually when we see something like this, the dollar probably might get some strength. Let's see real quick over here. So this is the gold short that I have. Hold on, you guys. Make sure to like this video while you're at it. We have 14 people watching, so we need to make up the likes immediately as we go. I'll keep reminding you guys. Okay, so the short is moving on the data. That makes sense. Quickly, let's see what's happening. The volatility index is spiking. The dollar is spiking. Bitcoin is lower, dude. Again, true week open. Damn, I don't know why I even doubted my model for one second that I need to short a true week open here as per the bias. Whatever, that's fine. That's okay. Let's see if we're gonna find some strength, because you know, Ethereum it is coming from the 12-hourly SR flip zone, but it does look way stronger than Bitcoin. So let's see if that is going to hold. Market Watch is finally catching up with the news. Nothing actually. Fed decision day kicks off with update on the inflation. Yes. So yeah, you know, interesting that we're getting the PPI the way we're getting it, but good for the trade that I took on gold. So that's fire actually. Now the good thing is that I took it on a 1-minute time frame, but we do have a lot of lower targets here, so that could be very good. That could be very good. It's already good because I closed profits on it, but I still have very little running. So yeah, let's hope that we are going to kill the targets before that. Now, in terms of, you know, we were hovering all this time since, like, you know, the beginning of the week. We were hovering around the 0.5, and we finally lost it. Okay, here's your lower high, and this was the breakdown. So potentially now all of these lows are going to be exposed down here. You know, it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough right now for anyone that's not in that short. Top of the morning. Hello, everyone. Hit the like. Yes, do it. Hit the like. You know, it could get really ugly, like 4651, also a target on the 1-hourly. We have a zone of previous reaction over here from which we created the lower high at 5400. Let's see if we're going to drop down all the way to that level. It's also going to coincide with 0.236 potential. But right now, I'm not really that inclined to look for buys at all. On the 4-hour time frame, when I look at it, you know, you have a potential case. You have a potential case for a retracement here long, but with the news that are that just came in, that does make sense to me to do right now. So I would not be looking for longs, I don't think, at this stage. FOMC rate cut? No, I don't think any rate cut is coming. You know, Broadcom. So the thing is, right? The thing is, we have 99% chances of rate cuts, you guys, right now. And as you can see, you know, the next one is in April, and then pretty much we don't have Jerome Powell anymore. Like that's facts. We don't have Jerome Powell after that anymore. So, but what's most interesting is that, you know, the prediction tool here is suggesting that potentially towards December, we can have some sort of a bid for, you know, for rate cuts. So I don't know. We'll see. But that's what the tool is telling us right now. Market is in fear. Let's see if we have any update on that. No, we're sitting at 26. For crypto, stock market's looking even worse, right? That's the reason, you know, we had a little bit of a up movement on crypto here, and we started losing it. We did not forget the overall bias, you know, was bearish according to the model. So very difficult, dude. Very, very difficult. Reaction from the inside bar over here. Crazy stuff. So let's see, because essentially this this bullish leg should be strong. We might find still the strength that we were hoping for. Bitcoin dominance, I'm not interested at for this at the moment. But yeah, lots of liquidity was gathered to the downside. So let's see. This whole move extremely imbalanced. Lots of buying generated in that move. Lots of liquidity here to the upside as well. Let's see if we're gonna find some potential strength. We have some areas to look forward for some strength. 71.6. The daily SR has been completely lost as we speak. So yeah, around this could be the safe zone, I'd say, for Bitcoin. Let's see, dude, because for ETH, same thing, honestly. I would prefer it around this this area. Around this area for ETH. Let's see. And you have the daily SR. So even if I flip long here, I could potentially have my stop loss below the daily SR. So it's not going to be too bad, but definitely a little bit more downside. Hey, everyone. Hi, Ross. So nice to see you. Everyone, make sure to hit the like button if you've forgotten to do so. But here we are, dude. Here we are. We're probably going to smash target here. I'm pretty hopeful for that, especially with the news that we got. Quite supportive for this trade down here. 1 minute entry that turned out to be very good, but the market looked very weak. So we were discussing earlier that on Discord. If you guys are not part of Discord, you know what to do. You just need to come to gabbytrades.com and you can get your free Discord access over here. Okay, you can get your free Discord access over here. You can learn the way I trade over here in the middle, and you can get your 30 days free indicator bundle over here. These are the basic, most important things. Whatever strategy you're using, I don't care, honestly. At least get the indicators. That's very important. So far we've just been having bearish rotation over here, so all of this you know, eventually is going to be retraced. Again, very imbalanced, extremely bearish move. But we need I need at least some sign of reaction for a reversal to hedge here potentially, and we might be getting it right now. We might not. Let's see. Actually, I'm going to move this a little bit so I can have a better view on the price. Yeah, we are having a nice reaction over here. I would say this is not bad. Actually, let's see if it's going to... It's looking like it's holding. A bit too early. Let the news get absorbed a little bit, because we might have a rotation. We had a similar one over here. You know, we've had it multiple times. We had it over here. It might be literally the same that's happening over here. So I'm not in a hurry. The market looks very bearish. The news are very bearish for gold at the moment. Let's see if we're gonna get any demand over here, but yeah, so that's what I'm looking for at the moment. Are you gonna get a potential sign for some demand coming in that area? Still waiting. So I think, yeah, for me, potentially, probably, you know, safe to do something even before Wall Street comes in. When you know, they might push it up a little bit before dropping it down again with market open. So let's see. Let's see. But how's everyone doing? You guys, let me know in the chat box. Did you manage to catch any trades today? Pre-market, you know, yesterday we had pretty much, again, advancing were more on the day, more issues advancing on the day than declining. When I looked at groups, I saw earlier that we had the energy as the leader. This is always problematic, right? This is always problematic. Oil is a huge issue at the moment. Short-term liquidity, you know, 1 hourly liquidity, higher time frame liquidity is just very, very dangerous. Hovering around 95 again, it's a problem. It's from this, you know, yesterday clearly was an insider day, right? An insider day. Usually after an insider day like that, you're supposed to break out. You're supposed to break out. You know, one way or another. So yeah, all definitely remains problematic. This is not giving me a massive you know, reversal ideas at the moment, so a continuation for now. Continuation for now on this trade. Yeah, but so far so good, honestly. Like, even if I stop today, I've had a pretty good day today. But what do you guys think? What do you guys think? Have you seen the cheat sheet that I sent on Discord? So basically this is how it looks like. If he comes in hawkish, which is pretty much what everyone is expecting right now, by the way, that is going to help further the short for gold, and potentially hitting means that I'll be hitting all of the targets today. Very highly likely that this is going to happen. It might happen even sooner than we're thinking. Gabby Trades liquidity indicators. If you want to see the liquidity on your chart, you have them 30 days for free. GabbyTrades.com. I don't want to say it 5,000 times. But yeah, that's going to be first target for me for the short. So yeah, going back to the cheat sheet, the tone is expected to be hawkish today. In all seriousness, yeah, so that means dollar up, US stocks down, and you know, it might not be great for crypto either today. So losing the daily SR flip zone is not good. It's not good. We have also liquidity to the downside on Bitcoin, so it's going to become way more difficult. way more difficult. This is how we do it. Essentially, you've lost the 4-hourly. Not good, not good, not good at all. Not good, not good. If you bounce from the 0 point, please don't stop singing. I know, yeah, I know. But honestly, the minus 2.5 development is matching perfectly with the true amount open. So, you know, this could be the short of the shorts right now, actually. But I didn't have my daily mumble. Yeah, I didn't have the guts to take it earlier. I wanted some liquidity grab here to the upside a little bit better. But in all seriousness, we did get our lower high here, so might have been it. True month open, we retested it, we lost it. You know, it's not like we didn't have the signs, right? It's not like we didn't have the signs. So, but yeah, you try to, you know, you retested true month open once, you failed it, you back tested it, you failed it again. You know, like literally over here, there is no excuses anymore. Especially after the bearish close in that area. But it is what it is, dude. At least we're printing on gold. At least we're printing on gold. Let me see. Yeah, very good, very good. Dude, it's crazy. I actually opened a big lot in this short. Then I closed it, and you know, I just keep trimming it, kept trimming it, and then I left like 0.01, and even with that, like I'm up like $85 at the moment. So it's pretty good with what I have left from the entire position. So yeah, this is gonna hunt me a little bit, but it is what it is, boys and girls. I guess you had sort of like the, what is that, a bear flag? It looks like it, doesn't it? A little bit. Dollar is exploding from the 99. You really kind of wanted for the dollar to stay below that zone, but it's not anymore. So you know, that's a problem. A 4-hourly, you're pretty much bullishly reacting right now. This is a bullish reaction for the 4-hourly, so that's a problem as well. On the 12-hourly as well, bullish reaction of the retest here. 12-hourly, 4-hourly manifested down here, so it's a problem. It is a problem. VIX is up 6% on the day. Let's hope it doesn't become 10% on the day, because that's going to be a bit crazy. But if we get 10% VIX on the day today, that means that we might have an up day. What's today? Wednesday? Thursday, Friday, we might have an up day if that happens. So dude, my daily mumble, give me a song, we can sing it. But the problem is, if I sing it, then they're gonna flag our video, and they're gonna you know, they're gonna say that we're just using songs that we don't have the rights to, you know. That's what happens on YouTube. Trying to stay hydrated. You know what I've noticed? Like, if I drink like very good water, for some reason I don't want to drink that much. You know, like you drink a little bit and you're satiated. You know what I mean? No, salt and pepper, no. All right, the target is looking way more probable right now. Way more probable. All these bearish candles eventually are going to need a retrace. But for me, the target is clear. Even with a retrace, I'm happy. Target down here, and it could really get really ugly. Maybe a potential bounce, 4722, we'll see. Once we reach there, then maybe we'll talk about something. But hey, Doddy. Doddy, did you manage to catch any shorts today? Silver, way below at the moment. For silver, kind of similar thing. I'm looking at around 75.2 potentially. Let's see. 75.2, maybe all these lows here will also get targeted. Please don't. You got tied up, but the bias was correct. Yeah, the bias was correct. We did have a quick discussion on Discord for that. Yeah, it did look very weak. Even the low time frame range, I believe, which was here. That was a low time frame range. The 0.5 was rejecting, wasn't it? Yeah, so here was the rejection at the 0.5, right? Multiple rejections, and when this happens, you know you're going sub-zero. And when we went sub-zero and we start trading below down here, and we showed extreme weakness in this area specifically. This exchange that happened here on a lower time frame, it looked a little bit different. This exchange, I decided on a retrace. I need to be in. Look at this exchange. It was kind of obvious, right? Like you're losing. So this heavy distribution started happening here, and I just realized that this is just bearish distribution. So that's how I saw it. Okay, we're having a little bit of a bounce here, a little bit more substantial. Let's see where we're coming from. Potential retrace to fill some of the imbalances. We need to be watching if the distribution is going to turn bullish. Let's see. That's for now, at least, is quite convincing. Absolutely zero opportunities for long entry down here. Besides all of this liquidity grab, but you had that liquidity grab here. There is no way you can know that's gonna happen. Hello. You are involved in the chat box. What are you talking about, Samer? It looks fine. It should be fine. Okay, that's quite a substantial reaction. I kind of want to see where we're coming from. Yeah. Okay, extreme zone, but still. I'm gonna need a little bit more proof. That's the 3 minutes. The 5 minutes is gonna need way more than that. So, you'd have to pretty much chase price here. With this, there is no way. They make it impossible to participate in here. So it's going to be potentially late entries down here if that happens. Not the ideal case scenario. We're gonna have the new 1 hourly candle open right now. Yeah, they might retrace it with that. Let's see. We have about 6 minutes to the new opening candle. All right, we need 3 more likes. Who is responsible for not liking? Could be some strength coming in right now for a retrace. Not yet, not yet. Silver is reacting from the 0.236 right now. Once again, in a buy zone. Very difficult, very difficult. Even if I get with a small size, it'll be very risky for me. It'll be like catching the falling knife right now. You know that saying? It's exactly what's gonna be. Let's look at Bitcoin real quick. 72.4. ETH. Where are we reacting from? Previous zone of demand. Yeah, I mean, I guess. 'Alright, let's test it here a little bit. With a very small size. Stupid spread, dude. Jesus Christ. $887.2. 887. $887.20. Let's see if they're gonna hold it. I'm probably not gonna hold the entire stop loss like this. But let's see. Oh, hello, you little chat. No, don't even think about it. No, not good, not good. No, stop it. Missy, stop it right now. See, you're distracting me, and mommy like literally lost money right now. Let's see, let's see. Giving it a little bit more. If it doesn't, then I'm definitely out. Okay. All right, all right. No, do not bearishly distribute from there. Don't do it. Too weak. Nope. I closed it. Thank God it was a small size. Technically speaking, still in a rotation point. Too early. Too early. BTC retest of 70k possible. I don't know, dude. I'd like it to not. To be fair. gonna be way too deep for me if that happens. But yeah, we have the 4-hourly SR, so definitely on the table, but it's just gonna be a little bit difficult. Hold on, because I'm a little pissed right now that I trimmed from my profits for this. All right. Get us out of the woods. Good job. Good stuff. Eat the liquidity straight, and I'm pretty happy with this position already. So I might just trim it once we get it. Hi, Captain JJ. Killer. Let's go. We're missing one like. I'm assuming that that's Captain JJ. All right, cool. Very good. Oh, you did? Who is responsible for not liking? Okay, now we have more people. 31. So we need three more people that haven't liked. Need to do it immediately. Like pronto. All right, let's grab this liquidity, please. It's actually gonna be crazy if it goes all the way for... I mean, genuinely, like that should be the target. Maybe I should hold it. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how I feel. Hello, Trevor. We shall see. Very painful. Like, even if you try to long like anything, soon as it starts losing and bearish distributing, like, you gotta be out, dude. You gotta be out. Come on, send it. You know you want the liquidity, just grab it. Oof, painful. Very painful, dude. Not to mention, I did have a short open, which I closed in the morning because I was like, no, I don't want to do this. So, but let me just check all the exchanges in case I left it somewhere. No, it seems like I didn't do it. No. Let me check my open orders. Oh yeah, I put, yeah, 2 short high ups that weren't tagged on this exchange and on the other one, which is Bluffin. By the way, you guys, if you don't know, you can get your VIP role on Discord. When you come on Discord, you're gonna find out how to do it. It's really simple. No, yeah. Whatevs. It's fine, dude. It's fine. All right, what is that reaction over here from this place here on Bitcoin? No, a little bit too early for me. Same with gold, like literally just above liquidity. Maybe once we grab that liquidity, I might be, you know, inclined for some retrace, but not as of now. Not as of now. It's gonna take quite a bit of convincing to do. I had a short limit on Monday morning, but canceled it because I couldn't monitor it when I was at work. It would have been a nice trade. Yeah, don't blame yourself. Don't worry. Like, the trades will come. The trades will come. We need one more like, and someone is not liking. Who is that person? See, I'm able to track because now I have so many phones that I can do it with. Let's kind of prepare if we see any reaction here. Dude, it's gonna be hard. Even if I want to take the long here, it's gonna be a little bit difficult. I must say. But have you liked Gabby? Actually, I have, which is really annoying. Maybe I didn't, I don't know. Yeah, I usually do though. I usually do. Geez, where is everyone? The market is dumping and everyone is like, okay, here, I'm gonna give myself a like. There you go, Dottie was right. I didn't do it. Yes, by the way, in the chat box, you guys, you can check everything. If you would like to tip the stream, you can do it down here. The official link for the website is here. And that's all you need to know. Okay. I probably was. Yeah, I probably was. Are you going to navigate it through the US Open? Yeah, for sure. We'll see, because we'll see what's gonna happen as soon as US comes. It's kind of difficult. Oil is up. S&P 500 completely retraced everything, almost everything. Pretty much everything. Annoyingly, look at that snipe of the previous day high and then just dropped at a pretty interesting area, I'd say. Let's see. There's some playing around happening at the moment, but I'm very bearish, very bearish. But what's the funny stuff that are going on at the moment? All the way till December, you guys. Can you believe it? We don't know what's going to happen with the new Fed, though. You know, a lot of people are saying that he's generally like hawkish. But the thing is, you know, he might have changed. So let's see. The sound of his, you know, the tone is going to be what everyone will be watching for. Oh, you can't be serious right now. You can't be serious. You can't be printing that at the moment. There's no way. I don't want to long it just above liquidity. I don't want to do that. You're lucky it's only 15 seconds, but it might be real. We'll see. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Here it is. When I see the buy formation, dude, like this is what happens. 15 second or not. Let's see. Let's hope it's just liquidity grab and they send it back lower. I'm not very inclined to buy this. I am not very inclined. I mean, on such a drop, even if I get the 15-second confirmation for long, like it's a 15-second on like a massive drop, like literally, you know, what are we, like $20 before the liquidity? It doesn't make sense. Like, I'm not gonna do it. There is no way. It might be a mini 1-minute bear flag. Give it another measured move. Oh, wouldn't that just be perfect? Have you guys tried any peptides, by the way? I was meaning to ask you. They're very popular right now. Do you guys know about it? Like health peptides like Glow. There is this GH peptide for like skin rejuvenation and things like that. And there is also this weight loss peptide. And then there is also, yeah, me too. You know what I was looking at with the one that's it's called like MT, I think MT1, MT2. It's like for a skin, you know, color, like a little bit of a tan. Celery juice. Yeah, dude, you're right. I need a juicer, right? I need a juicer. You use collagen tonic? Is that, you mean like application on the skin? You just need sun. No, I don't need sun because that's gonna make me wrinkles. I don't need sun. I'm hiding. I'm like an Asian person. You know how the Asians are like, they're covering themselves like literally from top to bottom. You know, when I see sun, I just hide like a vampire. All right, we're not too far from the liquidity grab here, so let's just take it. Come on, gold. Oh, it's a drink. All right, we're missing how many likes? We're missing 3 likes, you guys, or probably 5. I'm not sure. Oh, a drink. No, I don't know if you can. I don't know if collagen can work like that, like in a drink format, you know. Again, respecting 15-second zones. Like, I'm not gonna go for that just below liquidity. There is no way they're gonna scam me like that. That's crazy if that happens. Nah, dude, come on. You can't be doing that right now. You cannot be doing that right now on a 15-second. Yes, stop it. Yeah, so I don't know if you can actually metabolize and just use the collagen in, you know, the properties to create more collagen by drinking. I don't think it works like that when you digest it. Oh my god, you must be joking me right now. I don't want to long this. I don't want to do it. Yeah, no, but these ones are like, aren't they like the injection types? You know, the ones that are very popular right now. All right, so some demand over here. I'm starting to consider, starting to take it a little bit more seriously here, but not yet. Not yet. 1 minutely also, I can't. I just can't do it right now. We have 15 minutes. What is that? 16 minutes to the new 15-minute candle. What was I gonna say? So yeah, these ones are for tan, MT something. I was looking into that. If someone knows, let me know in the chat box, please. But there is others, right, for like skin and stuff. But I don't know, just the idea of like having to inject yourself every day is a little like putting me off, you know. Oh, okay. Stanimir's got the info. I don't know if it's not good. It's just like, I take vitamin D supplements. Yes. Give us more liquidity to the downside. Thank you. 15-second. All right, we're about to grab liquidity here. So let's focus. We're about to snipe it. Let's go. Let's go. I want to see it run over with a little bit of conviction. I'm not going to be in a massive hurry to close the position yet. I want to see a little bit more conviction. Let's go. We're about to hit take profit and grab the 1 hourly liquidity Gabby trades indicators. Oh my god, you guys, aren't we such a legendary people? Let's go. Let's go. Did it just double bottomed? Did it just double bottomed it? I cannot. I actually cannot. And I'm about to close this position in 3, 2, depending on what happens right now. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Smash the 1 hourly liquidity, smash it. Yes. Yes. Take it. Don't stop. That's it. Oh my god, I didn't close yet. That's perfect. Greatness, greatness, greatness. And I'm out. Great trade, you guys. Great stuff. I could have held it, but I don't want to anymore. So in fact, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna monitor it here for a potential long. Oh, let's see. All right, great stuff. That was a little bit longer down here. This is at 8, 4, 8, sorry, 4, 4, 8, 4, 3. 4843.68. We're getting tagged at like really nasty liquidity grab, so I'm long, Judes and Judases. I'm not even gonna wait for it. Let's hope. Show us some strength, show us some strength. All right, aren't we just crushing it? Just tell me, look at that short. Look at that short, absolutely incredible. We grab liquidity and we are testing the liquidity right now for a little bit of a retrace. Give it to us, please. To me. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Don't give me that 15-second BS. I don't want to see it. You guys, make sure to smash the like button. FOMC for the win. FOMC for the win. This is how we do it. Come on, dude, come on. Well, generally, we don't have... I don't have much to hope for here, unless we start closing above very key levels. You know, we don't even have a confirmation on the, you know, on the 1 minute yet. So far, it's just been a 15-second and a 1 hourly liquidity, considering that we have way more liquidity to the downside. I need to be ready to protect this. Hold on. So the entry was at 4843.68. 4843.68. So my position is de-risked right now. Because it honestly, we might just roll over like from here. If we don't start beating key levels, that means beat up here and then a continuation, you know, potential rejection down here, up here. Like it's crazy what can happen, but you know, facts are facts. All right, everyone, hype in the chat. Today we're having a very good day in the markets. FOMC, let's go. Let's go, let's go. If we start rejecting up here, I'm gonna trim half of the position and just let the list run. But it is what it is. Chin, 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 chin. Here it is, the rejection is happening already. I'm watching it closely. We need to beat that level here with a close on the 1 minute. I also don't like the fact that I de-risk a little bit too early, and sometimes I can be brought back to be reminded that I de-risk too early and then I lose some money. But yeah, so this is bearish rejection so far here. We're not able to beat it, so I'm just gonna hold my fingers here to close half of the positions to at least secure some profit. I haven't done it yet. Haven't done it yet, but we'll probably do it in a second if we start rejecting here. And we'll leave a small runner. If it runs, it runs. If not, здраве да е. Нали така станеме? But yeah, bearishly rejecting on the 1 minute. Not good. Bears are still in control for now, unless we magically beat it, but we are not. So waiting it out a little bit, giving it slight chance, but I shouldn't probably give it any chances. So I'm closing half here and I'm just leaving to see if this is going to run. If not, well, there's no way I'm not gonna do it. There's no way I'm not gonna protect the position, because if I don't do it, we're trading on a 15-second 1-minute time frame. So what does that mean? That means that with one candle they can wipe my entire account, right? This is no like especially pre-FOMC, pre-news, etc. Like, I'm not about it, you know. So half of the position secured up here. So I have half here, and the rest I'm leaving it to the fate to decide. But so far this is a bearish reaction, right? This is a bearish reaction on the 1-minute time frame. I have no confirmation that whatsoever that this is going to run, besides you know, a very weak reversal pattern that we got literally 15 times by the time we fell like with 300 points. So I don't mind. I don't mind, even if half the position runs. That's okay. Let's go. Okay, cool, fine. Thank you, markets. Thank you. All right, so essentially we do have the close on the 1-minute. Retesting it right now. Let's see if it's gonna hold. Yeah, sort of, yeah. Sort of, yeah. It's gonna be very good if they manage to push a little bit higher, then confirm it a little bit better, you know, on the 5 minutes. But so far it's nothing, right? So far we're just like looking at a 1 minute. So David, give me a song, okay? Give me a song. Stanimir, give me like a nice old school Chalga song that I can remember from my childhood in Bulgaria. Something like, I don't know, Gloria, Presuava, you know, you guys don't know. Stop it. Забравих it. I don't remember this one. I forgot this one. 100 патрона и ще си паднала, не? Това беше друга. 100 патрона basically means like 100, not bullets, 100 like bullets, but for a shotgun, I think. Right? Patroni. Lepa Brena. I definitely know a song from Lepa Brena, but I cannot remember. You have to give me like a little bit of a... You have to start me a little bit. Maybe the next YouTube channel is going to be a singing YouTube channel, you guys. Would you follow me if I do that? Can you imagine? I don't think I can sing, but I came up with like a very hit song for my cat, and you know, I don't like this reaction over here. Judes and Judases. I might just take my profits and run. I don't know if I should do it. Balkan song. Merkaba. Nope. Not strong. Volatility disappeared a little bit. Let's see. Let's see. After all, we did take the 1 hourly liquidity. After all, we did that. After all, we did that. Look at that 4 hourly candle. The sweep. Inevitably expecting the reaction from it. You closed as you're the 100 pips man. Yes, I hold a little bit longer, I guess. Not always. It depends, honestly. It depends what the markets are giving. Oof. Come on, come on. Markets are like, Gabby, you're getting greedy. You're getting greedy. Ooh, I don't want to look at it at the moment. I think I'm gonna get my profits and we'll see. Once we take this, maybe down here. I don't know though. Not very convinced right now, but we should get some sort of retrace. Stoppatrona ištěsi padnula. Is that the song? Like, can somebody tell me, like, is that the one, or am I mixing two songs? Seven out of 8? 7 8s? Is that a song? Ah, 7 ištěsi padnula. Yes, yes. Stanimir's like, stop singing Chalga, please. He hates Chalga, probably. He's like a rock and roll guy, maybe. I don't know. I just want to take profit, please. Gold. Give us the demand. Stop doing this. Yeah, Captain JJ is like, close it. Yeah, probably I should do that at this point. Let's wait it out. Like, still, if the pattern is valid, like, we could retest these levels down here and retrace, which is pretty much what's happening right now as we speak. So that's why I don't want to close it. I need you to buy an interior bike so I can train and watch the stream at the same. You need to buy. I need to buy one as well. Maybe just walk while I talk on the charts. But that means that I also need my desk to be like a moving desk. It's not holding, dude. We're not holding the line. Hold the line. Anybody playing hold fast lately or not? Hold the line. Where is volatility? Oh, market's open. What the hell? What the helly? Market's open. The helly? What's happening? Why are we not moving? Oh. Captain JJ was probably right. We're about to close this joint here. I closed it. All right, I don't have the position anymore. Full take profit for this little tiny, so I probably made something like this, but it's fine. All right, cool. And probably that was the wrong decision. Captain JJ. Why? Why? What? What? What a scam. Oh my god, no. 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 Oh my lord. Let's hope it dumps here because I'll be pissed. All right, anyway. Cool. I most likely effed up. I'm pretty sure I did. So here's the proof. Sorry to my account. I apologize officially to my trading account right now for listening to Captain JJ. I'm kidding. That was totally not your fault. It was totally my fault. Knowing that we have a reversal pattern and that we could have rejected from the exact same spot down here, I still closed it. Yeah, it's okay. Whatever. FUD. Captain JJ was pretty FUD. Dude. No, I was really stupid to do that. I must say it was a very stupid decision because look at the formation. Like I would normally long something like that, you know. So it's fine. I'm a bit retardio here of my side, but it's okay. It's okay. Markets are opening, nothing is happening. Let's have a look at Bitcoin real quick. Alrighty then. 1 minute buy formation on Bitcoin as well. So I don't know if I want to send it yet. Ethereum is kind of at a nice spot, not gonna lie. So I actually might send it on some crypto here. Alrighty then, market open here on ETH. Let's see, because honestly on the 5 minute it doesn't look that great, but it's okay. Very low leverage, 20x. Bitcoin, I would probably like it a little bit lower, to be fair. So I'm gonna wait a little bit for that, having considered I already opened one. Gold is reversing, of course, quite slowly as well. A little bit of an accumulation before the next move, which is fine. I think that was pretty well done. It's yeah, it's alrightish down here, I think. I would have liked a little bit lower on Bitcoin, so let's just leave that for now. Pepe. Honestly, Pepe was up quite nicely, wasn't it? Pepe was up quite nicely. Still has the liquidity. I don't know, dude. I don't know. Weekly looks disgusting. That was already retested. Complete failure. Yeah, dude, very hard. Oof, especially 4-hourly looks terrible as well. Yeah, needs to make a base. I'm going to pretend that I know what that means. Hopefully not a military base or something like that, but it sounds good. Sounds good. Dude, last night, I'm not even gonna lie, it was crazy. I was just sleeping and I woke up like I was like, ugh. No accumulation for while holding the level, yeah. Can I get some volatility here, please? I mean, if it's okay with you, ETH. Thank you. I mean, it's a good area, honestly. It was a previous area of breakup here. Demands kind of, you know, was overwhelming here. So it's not entirely terrible. ETH trading above the 0.236. Could this really be it? A retest of the 0.236 and another leg up? We're about to find out. JP is actually speaking at 2 o'clock. We have the fundraise decision, which is going to be the same. And then the press conference is starting at 2:30. That's EST. Everyone, make sure to like this video. By the way, I want to know, did everyone come in the free Discord community, you guys? Make sure to join. I hope you do. I really want to see some new people on Discord. That's going to be very nice. Only cool people. If you're not cool, I'm going to kick you out. But make sure to join. This is the link. And you can find your instructions on how to get your VIP role as soon as you enter. All you need is to sign up with Bluffin and enter your UID inside the Discord bot, and you will be granted your VIP role just like that, magically. Make sure to check the all of my trading course material. You have it now for a monthly price, you guys. It used to be lifetime for $300 plus. I forgot how much it was. Lifetime is not available anymore. You can get a monthly, which is affordable. Make sure to get your 30 days free indicators as well, right? Very important. Let's have a quick look at gold here. Oh, JJ, would you look at that? Would you look at that? Anyways, it's important for you guys to see what the indicators are capable of, right? Liquidity grab. And, you know, that was a sniper long. I guarantee you not many people are in that long right now. Guarantee you. Not many people knew when to close the short either. Because, you know, they wouldn't know which lows to target. So... But anyways, that was the long here. Very cool, very cool. My greedy self is now, you know, why I could have made 3 times more. But it's fine. It's fine. Silver also a little bit above the zone. Very nice formation as well. Lovely retrace. If I was at the bottom here, I would have been a holder right now. I would have been a holder for sure. Because there's lots of liquidity. Look at that. This whole thing could be cleared up pretty nicely. So, but good job overall, everyone. Congrats. I think we did great. I think we did great. Let's check on ETH real quick because I can see I'm about 6% down on this. So we might come a little bit lower retest down, but I don't mind. I don't mind that. Let me see. My liquidation is at 2134. A little bit tight, I'd say, but it's okay. Yeah. Okay. I guess. Yeah, dude, this could be a simple retrace for a continuation lower. That'll be crazy. That'll be insane. Even if they bring it back, retest the 0.5, that'll be crazy as well. What a great long. Oh my god. Please, Gabby, don't do that ever again. Don't do it. Don't do it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Can never be happy, can you? Like, I've made so much today, and still I'm like, no, I had the I did have the perfect entry. Come on, I could have even taken it down here and I didn't, which is insane. Yeah, but this could be also very good right now. It could be as good, you know what I mean? Could be as good. If it doesn't fail right now, which is currently doing, it could be really good. But it's, you know, it's reacting from supply right now, so it could roll over as well. Very good, boys, very good. Thank you, Stanimir, for reminding everyone where to find me. GabbyTrades.com. Make sure to join Discord, you guys. Don't forget to do that. It's completely for free. Yeah, profits in the bank. We're good. Yeah, we're good. We're Gucci. Yeah, 5 minutes is reacting bearishly right now. So I, you know, even if I had out, I would have probably closed it up here. Like, I would not hold that. There is no way. There is no way. Considering we're a little bit above zones right now, even for silver. Ethereum as well, above zones still. So that was a bit premature, but that's fine. Very, like, I'm not overexposed at all, so it's fine. But this could be, it could get crazy as well. So, but I'm going to monitor it very closely. All right. Yeah, good job today overall, dudes and dudesses. You know, the Fed's coming in, but Trump's also talking. US doesn't need help in Iran, Trump says, as NATO members rebuff plea and oil prices climb. They do not need help. Yeah. They don't want to join. NATO doesn't want to join. Yeah, so this is a big problem right now for everything. Oof. Above 95. This was the long here as well. Damn it. But a bit difficult. I would say very. So not very good. It's not looking great. Today we'll probably close above 100, it seems like. Unless we start rejecting like immediately right now, like right now over here at 98. Yeah. 120 is also on the table big time on the 4-hourly, so quite worrisome. Leo, gold rebounded because we had a liquidity target down here on the 1-hourly. This is the Gabby Trades indicators. Go and get them. Go to gabbytrades.com and click get the bundle for the indicators, and you're gonna see an option where you can get 30 days for free, and put them on your charts, and you'll kind of understand what they do. And if you don't, there is a video on YouTube for it as well. Yeah, so 5-minute bearish reaction here. I don't want to short it again, but it's fine. I'm just gonna observe it. What was I talking about? Oil, yeah. Yes, everyone, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for being here. We've had a great trading day. Yeah, oil. Oil 120 is on the table big time, and that's very problematic for everything. So Mvita, hello. Yeah, thank you. So you know, it kind of you know, does negatively correlate with pretty much everything. Nat gas is also trying to reclaim actually a level of interest for us, 3.123. Let's see. It is, I believe, a daily level, so the daily close is going to be kind of important here. I think who do we have? Nikki. I think Nikki caught this move. What a legend. She longed it. It was great. It depends, dude. Depends, you know, what do you want to trade? Whether you want to trade the contract differences, you know, like a CFD, or you want to trade futures. So in my case, I traded on I trade CFDs. Maybe who can send you the link? I don't know. I'll probably give the link to Stanimir and he can send it to you. It's this copy link. I'm gonna send it to Stanimir and he's gonna drop it in the chat box right now for you. Stanimir, I just sent you a Discord message. If you can drop for River Barent 59 so he can see the where I trade oil. But yeah, so I trade the contract difference, so basically the CFDs, right? If you want to trade futures, that's a little bit different. You can still do it. You can still trade futures. Some people prefer futures. I've traded futures for years. I honestly don't mind trading futures or CFDs. A lot of people have, you know, huge problems with trading futures, sorry, CFD contracts. They don't like it. They prefer futures, especially if you like happen to use like real market data, like order books and stuff like that, order flow. If you're looking the market books, like it's more helpful to be on the futures, because with CFD you don't get that data. But it's still fine, dude. Like for CFDs, the reason I trade CFDs is because I get more leverage. You understand? Like with the futures, you don't get that. And also I can hedge, you know, like when you're trading CFDs, you can hedge. You can open a short, you can open a long. If you're trading futures, if you open a long, you can't open a short, you know? Because if you open a short, you're going to close your position long in a way. So, you know, that's advantage of CFDs. And, you know, I use Vantage, and they have been in the market for many years. You know, I've used them for many years. Like they're, you know, they've been around. So they're not just some weirdos that just came up like 2 years ago or something. Definitely not. They're international. So, you know, I use them. But, yeah. So that's the thing, right? With futures, leverage is different. You can't hedge specifically like I do right now on gold. Like I have a gold long, I have a gold short. You can't do that. So la. But you have CFDs, so they're pretty much for everything. Like stocks, whatever you need.
Thank you for the info. Smile.
Oh, River Variant tipped us. Yay! I'm pretty sure that's like the 4th tip that we've had so far. Thank you so much, dude. That's so cool. You just made my day. Yay! I love when this happens. I love that you guys are appreciating the information and everything I provide for you. I want to see you all succeed, like genuinely, you know? And yeah, I do want to see you succeed, and only the things that I can do is just tell you what I know. That's it. Which I try to do, but I'm not very good with like keeping up with my social medias and stuff. I don't really do much, dude. I just stay at home, you know? Like I'm not really, you know, I don't go out like partying and stuff like that. Just send you like reels. Woohoo! Look at what I'm doing. My life is so cool. Cars, this and that. No, I don't do that stuff. I'm just pretty much on the charts all the time. Just chilling. Yeah, dude. Oh man, look at that. Wait, what? I just missed that on the 5-minute. Look at the retrace down here. RTM people. What are we? You know, are we retards? Like, honestly, what's happening here? This was the second long. What happened? Where was I? What got me distracted? Anyways, whatever. If you want to learn that entry model, it's here. Okay. But anyway, I seem to not utilize it for some reason. But it's a distraction sometimes. It just happens, whatever. It's cool. It's Gucci. It's Gucci. It's weak in that range. I don't like it at all. I don't like it at the moment. Very weak. We need, you know, a lot needs to happen here for this to reverse. So, but it's fine. It was a perfect retest. Yeah, it was indeed. In a confirmation after liquidity sweep, like what more do you want, really? Nothing more. So yeah, pretty decent, pretty awesome. Yeah, so it's fine though. It's it's okay. Like, to be fair, 3 minute was down here as well, so it's fine. 1 minute, I wouldn't really trust it, but whatever. You can say it was here as well, but 5 minute for sure, dude. Like, and I need to stop saying dude because it's embarrassing. But anyways, I hope the orange guy doesn't come up with something, you know. Maybe the Fed comes and says something, you know, he's very hawkish, and then we're all suffering. And then Trump comes up and tweets something else, like, I don't know, something of the sort of Powell is an idiot, he should have cut rates, you know, which he already said this week, by the way. So yeah, Powell is gone. I don't think he's gonna stay. Then we have Kevin Warsh on the table. Historically a pretty tough guy. Historically very hawkish dude. Who is pretty much strongly qualified for the position, by the way. Like, there is not a better candidate that exists at the moment than Kevin Warsh. So, you know, Harvard educated, Stanford, if I'm not wrong, as well. Been in the game for a very long time. Had a lot of strong stances during COVID as well. So pretty well qualified for the job. But I guess it's just wait and see, right? Hello, Gala Eddie. How are you? Yeah, very qualified for the job. So 15-minute bearish retest as well. Let's see. Market's been open for 30 minutes now. We just opened the new 30-minute candle. Oh, what a sweetheart. 7412. What's happening with silver? Bearishly retesting the 0.236, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. Where is it coming from, actually? It's coming from the 0.5. This is bearish as hell. Even though it does remain the buy zone still. We haven't really reached 75.2, so I'm a bit sus. It might be just a massive trap down here to take it lower. One leg lower. How are we sitting on the rest of the TradFi? Let's see Nvidia. Nvidia 30-minute doesn't look bad. Trading below 184. It's not my favorite. Holding the 12-hourly zones down here pretty stubbornishly. Daily we have a higher target, so you know, they must resolve this range bullishly. You know, they have managed to hold the neckline down here pretty strongly, you know, after this liquidity sweep down here. You know, they have this was the problem, and they managed to hold the line. So this should resolve bullishly. So, you know, they might be... Tesla, dude, after the generational trade on Tesla, which was this. No, I think it was this. I haven't touched it since then. And let's see here on the lower time frame what's happening with Tesla. Oof. Pretty not great at the moment. 12 hourly does have a higher target. I would prefer a retest 366 maybe. Let's actually mark this. Yeah. You mentioned about circle. So that was the target, the previous target that I was aiming with this move, and that was achieved, and then that was the sell, but I didn't put a sell actually. I probably should have. I probably should have. Energy is up today. Oh, Lulu is coming out of the dead, really? No, not really. Not really. AMD also smashed the monthly target, and since then it's been just terriblish. Let's see, 160 retest maybe. Let's look at that. Oh. What's happening to MicroStrategy actually? Where's my MicroStrategy? Or strategy, whatever. I mean, to be fair, we did reach almost, not entirely, but 102 was the level that I was interested in. 102. And now we're rejecting from 152, which is still a massive level. 152 is a very important level. So kind of in between levels. Could really drop down, retest 131 as well again. Not good. Brent is exploding today. Brent is going nuts. I wish gold was like that, right? After the drop, just like do something like this, but no. Gold's not the party at the moment. Damn, the long, dude. What? Jesus Christ. How did I fumble this? It's okay. It's fine. We did very well today. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for being here. Really appreciate you. I hope everyone has liked the video. Hope everyone has come to Gabby Trades. Make sure to join the free Discord. Claim your VIP role. All you need to do is get a sign up with Bluffin, and you can enter your UID in the Discord bot verification. That's the first thing you're gonna see, and you're gonna enter Discord. Get your 30 days indicators for free here. Get the bundle, and make sure to take part of the membership to learn everything that I teach you guys here every day, so you have a structured learning program of there. Really appreciate you, and I'll see you guys tomorrow and on Discord, everyone. Thank you for being here.